All right, here we go, another TRC Power Spotlight. Before I begin, if you haven't already, subscribe to this amazing channel and make sure you like this video and put your comments and questions in the comments. All right, welcome to another TRC Power Spotlight. In this edition, we are featuring a 120 watt dual channel LED driver, and it's manufactured by one of our amazing partners, Delta. So let's check out the incredible features and benefits of this LED driver because it has so much to offer. The USVI-120012FA, it's a compact, lightweight LED driver that is designed to support demanding requirements of LED installations in your linear luminaires, indoor signage, and also some harsh environment applications. This USVI-120012FA supports a wide operating input voltage range. It's from 108 to 305 volts AC, and it also provides standard output voltage of 12 volts DC, providing ideal solution for those LED lighting applications. Now, really special about this LED driver, this is the key feature of this, and it's a differentiator. It has two independent 12 volt 5 amp channels, so it provides a total of 10 amps of output current. This enables the LED driver to deliver increased power to your application while maintaining compliance with the class number 2 standard. Even more, should one of the outputs fail, it will not impact the other output voltage. So if one 12 volt fails, the other 12 volt still operates. This compact linear form factor allows for easy installations in your tight spaces. We're showing you the dimensions right here. So if you take a look at these mechanical dimensions, nice slim profile. Now I'm gonna bullet point and rapid fire the features of this LED driver, and a little bit later in the video, I'm gonna get into a little bit more details about it. The features include class Roman numeral 2 installation. It again, as I mentioned, dual channel class number 2 outputs. It's UL listed class P type HL, and also has built-in power factor correction. The USVI-120012FA includes a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Now this is really important in LED lighting. You want to make sure you have a quality LED driver. So you have a 5-year warranty, so you got a commitment to quality, and you want to make sure that that LED driver lasts, otherwise on the back end, you're paying a lot more money. So these drivers provide short circuit, overload, over current, and over temperature protection. Now, over temperature protection has automatic recovery. Now, these protections protect the LED driver and your system from any abnormal operating conditions. All right, here we are on this one key feature again. This LED driver is class number 2. It has 2 independent outputs that are each class number 2. And the value in that is that it limits the maximum power on each of those outputs. It's 5 amps. Now, one of the problems that this solves is in the past, you would be required to have 2 separate LED drivers that are class number 2 and 12 volts, 5 amps. Now you can have one LED driver that has both of those outputs built in and still be compliant with class number 2. It also has class Roman number 2 compliance, and the value of that, it provides protection with additional reinforced insulation. So class Roman numeral 2 certification protects the LED system and the end users without the need for connecting to a safety ground. This LED driver is really going to be ideal when you have an application and you need 2 12 volt 5 amp outputs, especially if you want them to be class 2 compliant and you need them to be independent. Now, if you want to learn more about this LED driver or need help with selecting the ideal LED driver for your lighting application, you need to call our office, and that number is 888-612-9514. And I have a team of LED driver experts that are sure to make your job so much easier. You can also contact us through our website. And if you have any questions here, or you want to put any comments, put them in the comments section, and we'll make sure that we get your questions answered. All right, great guys. Hope you enjoyed this new LED driver that TRC is introducing from Delta. We'll see you on the next TRC Power Spotlight.